Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be using this February kit from our website this week, and I'm super excited because I always end up using them after you can't purchase them anymore because it's on a subscription basis, so you can only get it until I think February 10th. And so, but I always end up using them after because I am either late on planning or it's just a hot mess. So anyway, as always, here I am struggling with my bottom washi. But this kit is available until February 10th, and it's either a subscription or you can purchase the standalone kit. But let me dig into the planning because I did something a little different this week. So I used a butt ton, is that a word? A buttload, a whole bunch of glitter washi in this kit. This one has hot pink foil on top, so we came out with the glitter washi that also has foil, so it's like extra shimmery, and I really love it. But I was super inspired by Coffee Co. Plan With Me video that she just released, where she did like no white space, like zero white space. And if you know me, I have been doing a lot of white space lately. Actually, I don't remember when the last no white space spread that I had was. I always leave a little gap in between stickers, and here I was like, no gaps. You might see a couple because I was just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I have absolutely no idea what's going on in my life or what I ended up doing. So I had no idea what to fill it with. And I feel like a fraud if I put in like fake plants just to cover up space. But here I did just cover up the entire sidebar. I didn't know what to do, so I just kept like adding headers and washi, and I love how it turned out, but it was kind of stressful because I'm not used to just covering up every single space. And I saw her cut the washi strips like this. I think hers were a lot neater because she used an X-Acto knife on the actual sticker sheet. But my X-Acto knife is like super dull, so it would have done nothing. So I just kind of butchered it with some scissors. And then I marked my usuals, dinner, and then workout. What's the other one? Journal. I've been trying to journal every morning. Y'all, it is so hard not to wake up first thing in the morning and check my phone. So I've been actually sleeping with it outside of the room. And then I it is so hard not to take a look at it when I wake up, but I don't look at it. I go straight downstairs, I do my journaling, and then after that, I can check my phone. Because I would lay in bed for hours on end, or well, maybe not hours, but maybe like an hour, just looking at my phone, just scrolling through Instagram or looking at Facebook, and then there's Pinterest, and I would waste so much time doing that. And I've seen so many videos about, like, productivity videos about not doing that first thing in the morning, because also, like, all of my work things go straight into my phone. So if I see something on Instagram that I gotta answer, or if I have Etsy messages that I gotta answer, and if something is in any way, shape, or form negative, I'm like, oh, it just puts me in a bad mood. And so I just feel like that might affect my productivity or my creativity. And so I've been trying not to do that in the mornings. And so, man, here is the struggle. I thankfully had just enough half boxes, quarter boxes, and those little arrow label looking ones to make it through my entire spread. But I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do with all this space? Like, I'm not used to using all the stickers I have in this kit. And so that was a little bit of a challenge. I tried to like use headers to take up more space. Like, my life really isn't that busy. Like, if I think about what I did, because I filmed this on Tuesday, so I was actually 2 days in. I'm like kind of back planning here. But if I think about what I did Monday and what I did Tuesday, because I filmed this Tuesday night. Oh, there goes Bean. I wonder what's going on outside. But like, I worked from pretty much when I woke up. I worked out, and then I worked until 6. And so that's like my entire day just working. And so I feel like I need to, like, if I just put work, that's it. That's my entire day. So I gotta fill it up with other things. We also ended up doing groceries on Monday because the grocery store we go to does not open on Sundays. And yes, I know what I just did. I did not know at the time, but I know now what I did. And you will see my freak out moment when I realized that it's not indeed January 9th or 10th or the 8th. Thankfully, I didn't go the entire way through the spread. But yeah, y'all will see. And so, yeah, did I end up filling up that Monday spot? I don't know. But yeah, here I am, just back planning. I ended up, crap, I gotta order paper. Ugh, I keep forgetting that. It's been like on my checkout forever, but I have to update my credit card because for some reason, this credit card just keeps getting stolen. Like, someone isn't actually stealing it, but the number just gets stolen. I don't even think I had it activated, and it still got stolen. It's always people trying to place orders like for video games and things like that. So I have to update it and then place an order for paper. And oh my god, yesterday I had to drive into, I can't even say into town because it's up north in Brandon, which I've only been to a handful of times. And although now it's like the same distance there than it was to where we used to live. And so I had to pick up some supplies and I've been trying to slowly decorate the house a little bit because my family's coming over this weekend. And Joann Fabrics has some really cute things. And so I went up there and then I'm like, let me just see if there's a boba tea place nearby. And oh my god, there was. And it was so good. But yeah, see here, I'm like freaking out. What do? I'm like, please let these be big enough to cover. And they were. Thank goodness. And then I just kind of went, like I was like, I don't even know if it's the right dates, but I just gotta put them down. I assumed that if I put the 8th and the 9th, it's because I really meant the 28th and the 29th. And so now I know that's the case because I see my little calendar in my computer as I'm editing this. But oh, thank goodness. And these right here, oh my god, these saved me. Because Wednesday today is just another full day of work. And so yeah, it's another full day and that just took a big chunk of space. And then I also want to design some of the new releases that are coming to the shop this Friday. I'm not going to have a lot of time to work on Friday because my family's coming in and it's really fun. The last time they were here, it was for my birthday. And so my husband I don't know, he went to the bar with his friend one day, and I don't know if he was a little tipsy, but he just started a WhatsApp group and invited my entire family, so aunts, uncles, like my mom, my dad, everyone. And it's like, let's do a party in Sarasota. I think he had so much fun doing a surprise party for me for my birthday that he wanted to do it again. And so everyone agreed on this weekend. And so we have like 12 people staying in our house. And thank the Lord we have room for them all. But I'm trying to get our guest room semi-ready. Like, it only has a bed. And, but I got new sheets, I got a comforter, I want to get some side tables today, and maybe hang a picture. Ooh, and curtains, because no one likes to wake up at 7 in the morning with the sun shining in their face. So, yeah, I need to get that. And then today starts the cleaning. So, guest room and the game room. We want to really organize and clean that area because everyone's coming over with air mattresses, and that's pretty much where they're going to set up. Last time they were here, they fit like 4 or 5 in there, and then we also have a couch that one person can sleep on, and then we have the downstairs that they can sleep in too. And okay, so I had this struggle yesterday. It's the stupidest thing in the world. But I ran out of space to put that I was gonna do laundry. And so I was like, well, I guess I can't do laundry this week. Like, no, that's not how it works. If I don't put it in my planner, I can still do laundry. But I legit just was like, okay, well, I can't do laundry Wednesday because it didn't fit in there. Can't do laundry Thursday because I didn't find any space for it. And Friday they're here, so obviously laundry's not happening. But no, I started a load of laundry this morning before I sat down on my computer. Like, it was just, I don't know. It was a total brain fart. And so Thursday is going to be super busy with work because I need to get everything done. I'm going to try my hardest to film new releases because I really want to show y'all what they are, just in case I'm not here to show too much over the weekend. And then I need to get all the orders that I possibly can out, at least the ones that are prior to $2 Tuesday this week. Those have to go. And then I need to finish putting together the February digital kit, which is brunch themed, and oh my gosh, I doodled so much food for it. It was making me so hungry. Like, it is so hard not to go get waffles and donuts and pancakes and all those things when it's all you're drawing. And so the cleaning continues on Thursday. Gotta do kitchen, bathrooms. Thankfully, my husband did a deep clean in the bathrooms last weekend when I was gone. And so we just gotta tidy up, maybe clean the toilets again because it just probably will need it. Although I swear we like only use one bathroom in this house. And so, and yeah, oh, and then we need to touch up some paint spots because last time my dad was here, I swear he banged his suitcase all the way down the stairs and left marks all the way down the stairs. I could have killed him. And then my husband, if he's making gravy or he's frying something and he's got to whisk something with oil, he's a freaking mess. And so we have just oil spots on the wall that we can't wipe down because it's like that cheap paint that the builders put on there. So until we get a backsplash or we paint, we gotta just touch it up with paint. So we gotta do that. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that we need to do before they come. I didn't put it here because I ran out of space, but we need a Walmart trip because I need to, what do you call it? I need to get more furniture. Like, we have 12 people coming over and staying, and they're going to be eating and sitting and lounging and whatever it is that they want to do. And downstairs, we only have 4 chairs. We can bring in the little bistro set that we have outside. That's 2 more chairs. And then we have the couch, or the couches that might sit 5 people squished together, but comfortably 4. And so I just feel like we need a few more chairs. But I don't want to splurge on the, what do you call them, the island chairs yet, like the bar stools, because the ones I want are a little pricey, and then I don't want to like buy ones that I don't like that still cost a lot of money. So we're going to go to Walmart and see if there's anything that we can get that is like relatively cheap, but still comfy, and doesn't look too crappy. And so, yeah, last minute cleaning. And then I put this Crumbly Bear sticker because it was so cute and like party. And I love how it goes from the full box all the way up. And I want to take my mom to get some acai bowls from Detweiler's because y'all know my obsession. Like, if you follow my Instagram stories, you guys know that I am obsessed with acai bowls. And I want to pick up more food. We had a very cheap grocery trip last weekend, or no, Monday with my husband. And so we just didn't know what to get. So we want to wait until like Thursday, Friday to pick up a bunch more food, snacks, all of that, because he'll eat it. So yes, so we'll do that. I used one of our little stickers, but like the littles, you know, that's what they're called. I don't know. What was it? Was it like a car? Or no, I think it might have been like a meal one. And then I covered it with a heart because I kind of ran out of other like tiny labels to put on there. And so that worked out perfect. And let's see, Saturday I left pretty much completely blank. I don't know what the weather is going to be like. Before today, it said it was going to be sunny and like in the high 70s. And so I was like, ooh, pool day. And then I checked today and it's going to be in the 70s but thunderstorming. And so who knows, it's Florida, it can change at any moment. But I put down that sun-kissed Gertie because I would love to take my family over to the clubhouse and go into the pool. And even if it's a little chilly, it's a heated pool, so they should be okay. And it'll just be something a little bit different because last time we were here, well, no, I guess last time we were here, they went to the museum. We have the Dolly Museum up in St. Pete, and they really liked that. And so, well, we'll see. There's no plans. I have no idea what we're doing. And this washi here comes with this kit, and so I wanted to kind of put it in some spots where I needed to fill up space. And yeah, like I really have no idea what Saturday's gonna look like. I don't know if I left it blank or I ended up putting something in there. And then Sunday, we're going to do a big family breakfast. And then after that, like most of my family will probably leave because they gotta drive like some 4 hours south, some 3, and then my mom and my dad are gonna stay probably a little bit longer. And I want to take my mom to church because last time she went, she really loved the church that we've been going to. And I'm gonna try to convince my dad. Like if Jake goes with me, I feel like my dad might go, but I'll be pushing it. Maybe I'll have to let him convince me to go on a fishing trip and then I'll drive him to church. But, so yeah, that is Sunday. And then they probably won't leave too much later because they also have to drive like 3.5 hours south. And that's pretty much it. After that, we're gonna probably do some meal prep. And my goal is to plan before Tuesday, before Monday, on Sunday. And yeah, that is my week. So it's been pretty busy so far. It's gonna be real busy today and tomorrow. And then that just gives me the weekend to kind of spend it with my family and have a good time and see them because I don't get to see them that often. And so that is it. But yeah, did you guys see how many glitter? I used almost the entire sheet of glitter headers. And I had 2 sheets. I had the pink one and the purple one. And that is like all the space. I think I have a little space on Monday that I forgot to fill out. Oh, duh, Super Bowl this Sunday. They have a party up at the clubhouse. So if we're not dead, like exhausted, we might go over there, eat some food, watch some football. But that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys very soon for another video. Bye!